Welcome to Product Critique. If you're a cheese lover, you're in for a treat today, as we bring you the best Colby Jack Sliced Cheese experience. Today, we're featuring a kitchen essential that will change the way you enjoy your cheese: the stainless steel cheese slicer with 10 replacement wires. This heavy-duty metal cheese cutter comes with a sleek cutting board, designed specifically for block cheese, and it's perfect for creating smooth, even slices of your favorite cheeses. Imagine the ease of cutting through your Colby Jack, mozzarella, Swiss, or Parmesan into the perfect thickness. Whether you prefer paper-thin slices for sandwiches or thicker slices for a cheese board, this slicer lets you do it all effortlessly. Equipped with 10 extra replacement wires, this slicer ensures you'll never run out of slicing power. Unlike traditional cheese knives, the wire never needs sharpening, offering a consistently clean cut every time. The ergonomic design of this cheese cutter ensures a comfortable grip while slicing, making it ideal for cutting larger blocks of cheese. The marked grid on the slicer allows for precise control, ensuring that every slice is the perfect size. The stainless steel material is not only durable but also dishwasher safe, making cleanup after use a breeze. And don't worry about stability while slicing. The non-slip rubber feet on the base help to minimize unwanted movement, giving you full control while cutting. The easy-to-install replacement wires make maintenance a quick and simple task, and there's an instructional video available on the product page for anyone unsure about the process. For anyone who enjoys cheese, this tool is a must-have. Whether you're preparing a cheese platter for a party or simply slicing up a block. For a late-night snack, the stainless steel cheese slicer with 10 replacement wires is designed to make your life easier. It's a perfect gift for cheese enthusiasts or anyone looking to elevate their kitchen tools. So, if you're ready to slice your cheese with precision and ease, check out the stainless steel cheese slicer with 10 replacement wires. We're sure you'll love it as much as we do. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more fantastic kitchen gadgets.